Hey fans, Mike Montgomery with Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows, and Doors. I'm out with Sage and Eamon today. We're putting solar screens on homes. Give us a call at 512-863-5145 for your free estimate today. If you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. So we're up here on the 2-story, putting these screens on, getting them screwed on, reduce the heat coming off of these windows, make the home cooler. We're going to put these large screens on the front of this house. It'll help reduce the heat coming into the house by 90%. Keep this house good and cool. If you like what you see, give us a call at Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows, and Doors, 512-863-5145.